Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap. Then let's tap on reset options. As you can see, it is at the bottom of the list. And here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so the first option available. Tap on reset settings, confirm it with your screen lock, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So tap on reset settings again, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.